Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Insight. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy a Linux RDP server and how to log into it. First, open your browser and search for rdphostings.com. Once the website opens, scroll down to the solo server section and click on it. Then click Get Started Now. After that, create a new account by signing up. If you need a full admin VPS server, RDP Hostings also offers a 30-day free VPS trial. You can check out the free trial option as well. Now, select the solo server plan and fill in your details. After that, complete the security verification and proceed to checkout. I already have an active order, but in this video, I'm showing you the complete process from the beginning. Enter all your credentials carefully and make sure to use a genuine email address. Once everything is filled in, click Complete Order. Congratulations! Your order has now been confirmed. Next, check your registered email address. You will receive an email containing your login details, including IP/host address, username, password. You can also view these details from your dashboard. Click on Access Secure Dashboard and review your server information. Now, let's log into the Linux RDP server. On your PC, search for Remote Desktop Connection and open it. In the Computer field, enter your host address, for example, soloa.rdphosting.com. Next, enter the username that was sent to your email address. Click Connect, then click Yes if prompted. After that, enter the password provided in your dashboard and click OK or Enter. That's it. Your Linux RDP server is now successfully logged in, and the interface will look something like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Tech Insight channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.